We'll guide you through how to change keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to improve their editing speed and workflow efficiency in Premiere Pro. Customizing keyboard shortcuts helps reduce repetitive actions, making tasks faster and more convenient. Many users also want a personalized setup that matches their habits, especially when switching from other software or trying to streamline professional video editing processes. To change keyboard shortcuts in Adobe Premiere Pro, start by opening the application on your computer. Once it is open, create a new project to begin working. When prompted, name your project however you like so you can easily identify it later. After that, import a media file as an example so you have something in your timeline to work with. Next, click on the Edit option in the top menu bar to access additional settings. From the drop-down list, choose Keyboard Shortcuts to open the Customization panel. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl, Alt, and K on your keyboard to open the same menu quickly. Inside the panel, you can choose a preset if you want to modify an existing shortcut layout. Then, go to the search bar and type in a specific action to locate it faster. Once you find the action, add another shortcut by clicking beside the current shortcut field. After clicking, press the keys you want to assign as the new shortcut. If needed, you can delete either the existing or newly added shortcut by pressing the X option next to it. If you make a mistake while organizing, click the Undo button to reverse the last action you performed. When you are satisfied with your setup, click the Save As option to store your custom shortcuts. Finally, enter a name for your preset and save it so your updated shortcuts are ready to use in future projects. This process allows you to tailor commands to your workflow and improve editing efficiency over time. Custom shortcuts help reduce repetitive actions and make navigation faster during complex edits. You can revisit the panel anytime to refine your setup further as your editing needs evolve or change over time with different projects and styles of content creation tasks.